Welcome to this introduction to business intelligence with Excel 2013. So in this course, we're going to get to know the Excel business intelligence tools. Now these tools include Power Query, Pivot Tables, Pivot Charts and Slices, Power Pivot, Power View and Power Map. Excel have introduced a lot of new technologies into the business intelligence field. If we look at the sheet over here, we can see that we've got our standard spreadsheets, tables and pivot tables, which many of you may already be familiar with. However, there's a lot of new technologies that have been added, such as Power Query, which allows us to import and clean data. Power Pivot, which allows us to create and model our data. Power View can be used to create interactive dashboards and canvases. Power Map is a powerful three-dimensional geographical analysis tool. And Power BI allows us to easily share our data and be able to view it on laptops, tablets or phones. Power Query is a new tool that allows us to do ETL functions. So ETL stands for extract, transform and load. This allows us to import data into Excel, perform common transformations such as changing data types, cleaning up data, and performing a number of other types of functions such as groupings or creating custom columns. So Power Query allows us to easily access multiple different data sources, bring this into Power Query, clean the data, merge the data, append data, do a lot of common functions. And then we can export this into Excel tables or into the Power Pivot data model, which allows us to easily now access that data and work with that data. We're also going to be looking at Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a very powerful database that allows us to model our data within Excel. So we can manage millions of rows of data, we can create relationships between tables of data. And also Power Pivot has the DAX formula language, which allows us to create powerful key metric or KPI calculations, and really to expand the types of calculations that we can do with pivot tables or with Power View. So Power View is actually a tool that creates a canvas. And upon the canvas, we can actually create tables or graphs. And this allows us to create interactive dashboards or to do more advanced data analysis tools such as correlation. So this really gives us new methods of viewing and understanding our data. We can also use powerful filtering and highlighting capabilities, which gives us new views into our data. Power Map is a three-dimensional geographical analysis tool. This allows you to plot your data onto geographical maps. This uses the Bing mapping engine in the background to automatically geocode your data, which is very powerful. Normally in the past you would have to work out your longitude and latitude type of geographical data before you could actually load it into a system for analysis. So Power Map really gives you different forms of visualization to be able to see this data. So we hope you enjoy this course and learn a lot about using Excel Business Intelligence. Thank you. This concludes the lesson.